Damage to Epson printers. One of the problems that can occur with Epson printers is that the paper will not feed when the printer is trying to print. There are a few possible causes for this problem, but in this video, the cause is a damaged roller on the bottom of the paper tray. This roller is responsible for holding the paper in place so that it does not feed all at once during the printing process. In this particular printer, the roller is damaged because the spring inside it has broken. To fix this problem, you can watch the video to learn how to do it yourself at home. Or, you can purchase a new roller and replace it yourself.